Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make pepper chicken. South Indian pepper chicken is hot and spicy, aromatic and tasty dish served with rice or rotis or chapatis. This is so easy to make at home, so let's learn how to make this. To make this, we need 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs. Wash and cut them and keep. We need 2 onions, 1 tomato, 4 green chilies, salt, oil, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, garlic ginger paste, coriander powder, jeera powder and curry leaves if you have. We need fennel seeds, cumin seeds or jeera, poppy seeds and black peppercorns. We are going to dry roast them first. First, we are going to marinate the chicken with 1 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Wash and cut all the ingredients and keep it ready. Let's start the cooking. First, we are going to dry roast the 4 ingredients, so switch on the stove on medium flame and in a pan add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Stir them well and reducing the flame, you can roast them. Add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. We are adding poppy seeds so it gives a nice texture to the curry and it also helps in thickening. You can add 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns to this now and stirring well. Roast them all nicely. Switch off the stove when the nice aroma fills the room and you can transfer this to a plate. Leave it aside for some time and let it cool. When the ingredients are cold, you can transfer them to a dry grinder and grind this until it becomes a coarse powder. The powder should look like this when it's done. Now that everything is ready, let's start the cooking. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a 5 or 6 quart pan, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and stir them well. When the mustard seed starts to crackle, you can add 2 chopped onions to this. Stir the onions and cook the onions for about 5 minutes until it changes color. I am making this pepper chicken for 6 people. If you want to make less quantity for about 3 people, you can reduce everything into half and cook. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Stir them well and then cook until the raw smell goes away. Add 4 cut green chilies now. Add curry leaves if you have at home. Stir it well and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 small cut tomato to this. Please do not add more than 1 small tomato. Stirring well, you can cook them until the tomatoes become mushy. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to this now, or you can add salt according to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Stir it well so it blends well with the onions and tomatoes. Now you can add the dry roasted ground powder to this. Stir it well so it will blend well with all the ingredients and then cook until the raw smell goes away. Now you can add 2.5 pounds of marinated chicken to this. Stir the chicken for about 5 minutes until the chicken is nicely coated with all the spice mixture. This chicken recipe turns out very tasty, so please try this. Add 1 more teaspoon of salt to this at this stage and stir it well. Close it with the lid and cook for 30 minutes. Every now and then open the lid, stir it well so the ingredients don't get stuck at the bottom or burnt, and then you can close it and cook. After 30 minutes you can open the lid and see how nicely the oil is separated. At this stage the curry is almost done. Heat the curry on medium flame for about 5 minutes after opening the lid, so all the water in the curry evaporates and the curry becomes thick. The chicken is cooked and you can switch off the stove now. Garnish with fresh cilantro and close the lid and keep until you serve the chicken. Your world famous pepper chicken from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. This is a fantastic recipe for chicken lovers and it's also very easy to make, so please make it at home and enjoy with your family. Thank you.